Getting this thing all shined up, Chris.
Yeah, man.
Hide your kids, people. Danta's in the building.
So what's up, guys? Welcome to our 100th episode. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We got Dan here dressed up as Santa. You look funny, dude.
How do I look funny? Come on, man.
Okay. CJ's gonna be the elf. We're gonna take the red GTR out, and we're actually gonna prank people a little bit, have a little bit of fun with this car while we have it.
We're gonna see what they think of Santa's new sleigh.
Right.
Sick.
I think Santa's way cooler than that, though. We're gonna wear some Ray-Bans.
Dan's looking a little jolly today.
Yo, Santa is cool, man.
Santa didn't stall out, fellas. What do you say, Mr. Elf? You want to go see how everybody thinks about our new sleigh?
Damn right, Santa. I'm trying to get this thing popping, you know what I'm saying?
Are you a South Pole elf?
Might be.
Where'd my hat go? Where'd my hat go?
I got it right here, Santa.
Put my hat back on. You're gonna have to pull it down on the. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Now Santa can't see. Dude, my point at field of vision is so narrow with all this on.
Straight. That's all you got.
Wait. She don't care.
She was like, that was pretty good.
That's pretty good. She's on her phone.
You don't
She's
care about
definitely on the naughty
You're
list.
on the naughty list.
That dude's grumpy. He's not even gonna look.
Yes.
Just like, hey. Hello!
Everybody in a bad mood today?
Everybody's in a bad mood.
Like holidays, I'm broke. Bunch of Scrooges.
Yep.
This guy's looking hard.
Break that neck.
He look at look, he's still looking.
He likes Santa's new sleigh. He
looked about 5 times.
He's on the nice
He's
list.
on the nice list.
Good job.
Hey, we need gas really bad.
Do we? Is the the lights on?
Santa running out of gas.
We didn't check that before we left.
We didn't check it before we wrecked it.
It's all good. It'll fill up with the Christmas spirit. Maybe.
Let's hope so.
Uh-oh.
What?
Guys, we're running out of fuel.
Is it breaking up?
Merry Christmas!
Let's not get stuck in the middle of the street with this car dressed as Santa.
Then we'll be pushing it.
Alright, well, we could try to get on 460 and come back down towards Sheets.
Yes.
Oh, God.
Hey, I hope you're playing.
I'm not playing, bro. We've run out of gas. Or Christmas spirit.
Yeah.
We're running on Christmas spirit right now, and that's... we definitely don't have gas, so we are definitely running on Christmas spirit. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas to you.
What do you think of Santa's new sleigh?
Man, it's a nice sleigh. Yes, indeed.
Appreciate it.
It looks very, very nice.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Same to you.
That fella gave us just enough,
gave us
just
some more
enough Christmas
spirit,
spirit to get there. Oh God.
What if it runs out really cheap? Oh, come on, baby.
Didn't build you to fail, baby. We built to succeed. Leo! What's up, man? He was so excited. That's cool. Oh, you running out of gas?
Yes.
Yeah. Like legit.
Oh my gosh, I got Santa hair all over me.
Still in here. It's right there.
This is new for Santa.
Yeah,
He's never had to fill up his car before. Is this how you do it?
I think so.
Pull the lever? Yep,
I pulled
you
the
got
lever.
it. You got it.
Oh, we just barely made it here.
Air it out.
Yeah, we really legit just
Seriously,
barely made it
We were
here.
almost out of gas. It was like bucking.
It was bucking coming into this parking spot.
Oh, Yo, Dan is stupid. You need to bring the car and put it right here.
Really confused.
Let's put the car right here. Just do that.
We're riding around trying to see what everybody thinks of Santa's new sleigh.
I think it's cool.
Elves worked really hard on it.
Yeah, I see. Good job.
Merry Christmas.
Take two.
All right,
Action.
let's go back to the mall.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Santa with a New York accent.
Yeah, Santa wants to go get some coffee, wants to get some cookies, some chocolate chips, maybe some hot dogs,
Bratwurst.
some brats. Who doesn't love brats? Hello, they're Santa's fingers. Tell you what, the steering wheel's real slick in these gloves. I have to get some real racing gloves for Santa when he starts to live. Oh, bogeys!
Bogey! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
She said,
Screw you. She's on the naughty list.
Definitely.
Virginia Tech Pop-Tart.
Oh, snap.
She's like, hey.
Merry
Bubbles.
Christmas!
Well, we gotta see what everybody thinks about Santa's new sleigh.
OG triple OGs right there. You don't want to look.
Oh.
What the hell?
All right then.
Shit.
What was that about?
They're definitely on the naughty list.
What?
Are you kidding me?
Merry Christmas.
Here, give him a sticker.
I can't reach that far.
No, you can't reach that far.
Merry Christmas.
And they got kids in the back too.
Merry Christmas.
What are you doing?
I want Santa to get out and direct traffic for you.
Oh my God.
We've seen it all, folks.
Where you going, son?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, how you doing? I'm CJ. Can I get a white milk and a chocolate chip cookie? That's gonna be it. I gotta keep my boss happy.
That's awesome.
I know.
love
The
that.
pure joy out of a child's face.
What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm just gonna wait. Oh my God, a tip!
How you doing? Yes, ma'am.
Here's that milk for you.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks, Merry Christmas.
Ho ho ho.
Here's your cookie.
What do you think about Santa's new sleigh?
Thank you.
Sorry?
What do you think about Santa's new sleigh?
It looks very nice. Have a great day.
Merry Christmas.
How can I help you?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Can I have one white milk and some chocolate chip cookies?
You want 2 cookies for $1?
That would be beautiful. Thank you.
You said how many?
Just 2.
Anything else?
That's it.
All right, 224 first one, please.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. See these white gloves
The gloves and
and the beard.
the beard and the hat, and then the ball and shades. You know.
What you know about them Ray-Bans? Santa got them Ray-Bans.
How you doing? This one's fancy.
Star Wars?
Look at this. Went through Chick-fil-A, got cookies for Santa. Vehicle ID, red sedan. 1, 2. I must suck at math or something.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's today. How can I help you?
Hey, how you doing? Can I get a white milk and a chocolate chip cookie for Santa?
Sure, anything else?
That'll be it.
All right, 304 first window, please. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
How you doing? Good.
What am I getting for Christmas?
You gotta be on the good list, man. Thank you guys. You have a good day. So much milk and cookies over here.
We're gonna walk back in the shop with like 5 milk and cookies. We need to get some more.
Got gallons over here, Santa.
We'll get some for everybody.
Done deal.
You gotta get the milk and cookies.
Shooting a music video.
Getting the milk and cookies. Lost too much weight, I gotta gain it. Gain it back, I got a week. Don't look at Santa's pen. Shh, don't tell the kids. My beard's fake.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. How may I help you?
Yeah, can I get a white milk and a chocolate chip cookie, please?
All right, anything else?
That'll be it.
Your total is $219. Thank you.
Thank you.
How you doing? Good.
Now that is cool.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Can I take a picture?
Yes.
Of course.
My kids would love them. Perfect. Thank you guys.
Here.
Thank you.
You give those to the kids.
Oh, awesome. Thank you very
Thank you.
much. Y'all have a good one.
You too.